Brother Peppa Pig. This is Daddy Pig. And this is Mummy Pig. Peppa Pig.
Today, Peppa is going to the park.
It's freezing cold.
It is cold.
Got him!
Quick, let's get our clothes on.
On cold days, Peppa and her family wear their hats and scarves and hats and scarves and hats and scarves and coats.
Let's get the heating on.
Let's go! Whoa! Let's play a game to keep warm.
My turn. Oh. The ball is in the pond.
I'll just use this stick to reach it. I've almost got it. Whoa!
Hold on to your hats. Don't worry, George. Daddy Pig will catch your hat.
Quick, Daddy! Look! It's in that little tree.
I'll just climb up and get it.
The tree is much too thin to take your weight, Daddy Pig.
So, how can we get George's hat?
Simple. I'll give the tree a little shake. Maybe if I shake it a bit harder. Maybe if I shake it a bit harder. Maybe if I shake...
I thought that sort of thing only happened to me.
Here's your hat, George. Hold on to it this time.
The wind is blowing all the leaves off the trees. The wind is strong enough to hold Peppa up. The wind is strong enough to hold George up.
Daddy, have a go.
I'm a bit too heavy. I'm a bit too heavy. Too heavy. I'm a bit too heavy. I'm a bit too heavy. A bit too heavy.
Come on, Daddy. It's really fun.
Oh, all right. It's funny.
It is
Not
funny.
What's your favourite game?
This is the best autumn day ever.